Get ready for an adventure-packed indoor play experience with our customized wall climber, the perfect addition to your kids' play area for endless excitement and exploration. Crafted with safety and innovation in mind, our indoor play equipment offers young adventurers a thrilling climbing experience like no other. With its sturdy grips and secure footholds, kids can scale the wall climber with confidence, testing their strength and agility in a controlled environment. Watch as children conquer new heights and challenge themselves on the wall climber. Whether they're climbing solo or racing with friends, this playground equipment sparks creativity and fosters physical development in an indoor setting. Elevate your indoor play area with our wall climber indoor play equipment. Contact us today to bring the thrill of climbing to your kids.